Good morning, friend. I hope you have completed your exercise 5.1 and 5.2 in your book. Today we want to start one new topic, that is chance or have a chance. So topic is 5.5. Again I am explain. You have to complete your fair book, that is exercise 5.1, exercise 5.2. Now today we want to start one new topic, that is chance and probability. It is mainly used in 9th and 10th standard also. And what is the definition of chance and what is the meaning of probability, that we have to understand. So one example is here given. Sometime it happen that during rainy season you carry a raincoat every day and it does not rain for many days. जब आप लोग रेनकोट लेके स्कूल में जाते हैं on that time, लेकिन however by chance one day you forgot to take the raincoat and the rain heavily on that day. So what is the meaning of chance? Have a chance, probability, yes or no. आप जब डेली रेनकोट लेके स्कूल में जाते हैं तो ऑन दैट टाइम रेन डज नॉट केम, लेकिन जब आप एक दिन ही नहीं ले जाते हैं, इफ यू विल फॉरगॉट टू टेक रेनकोट फॉर 1 day, then it will rain heavily. So it is called chance. Some other examples we can give it here. Sometime it so happen that student prepare 4 chapter out of 5. If you have a maths test and total 5 chapters are there, so total 5 chapters are there, and you have learn or prepare 4 chapters very well for test, but a major question is asked from the chapter that she left or unprepared. जो आपने एक लेसन लेफ्ट कर दिया था उसी के अंदर से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन आ गए, तो दैट इज रिलेटेड विद द चांस. जैसे स्कूल, इफ यू हैव नॉट कंप्लीट योर होमवर्क, इफ वन एग्जांपल इज लाइक दैट, इफ यू हैव नॉट कंप्लीट your homework and teacher absent, then you are too much happy. If you have not complete your homework and teacher is also absent, you are happy. So that is a one type of chance. When you complete your homework daily but teacher can't check, it is also a one type of chance. So chance and probability are the two topic that we are using everywhere. Chance means 50%, 10%, 100%. It vary from, if you will see that now out of 5 chapter you have complete 4, only 1 chapter you left, means 20% you left, but more and more question asked from the 20%. So that is a chance, and probability means imagination or future we can say. So every time for probability we can take P, and for event we can take E, and number of trials mostly we are using, and total trial. These are all the example. In cricket match you have seen that, and toss is there, then head and tail. The chances, total chances is 2. Total chance is 2, but out of them only one is selected, either head or we can say tail. So one more example we have to see, getting result. So if you will see here, we have take result head and tail, here we have take result, here we have to take result. So you might have seen that before cricket match start, captain of two team to go out to toss a coin to decide which team bat first. So what are the possible results you get when coin is tossed? Of course, head and tail. Imagine that you are the captain of one team and your friend is the captain of other team. You toss a coin and ask your friend to make the call. Can you control the result of toss? Can you get a head if you want one or a tail if you want that? We can say no, that is not a possible. Such experimental is called random experiment. It is not controlled by us. Such experiments are called random experiment. Head or tail are the two outcomes of this experiment. Now if you will see that dice, we are discussing about the dice. So in dice we will see that it's a one type of cube. One type of cube. In cube you have seen that, or we have to draw a perfect cube. And you have seen that in it 6 numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total outcomes is 6 in a dice. Now if card is there, playing cards. So someone asks, what is the total outcomes of playing card? So that is 52 cards. Now if you will take 1 to 100 numbers, in each card we have to write 1. In another card we can write 2. Another card we can write 3 up to 100. Then total outcome is 100. In it 100, 2-digit number is there, 3-digit number is there, single digit, unit digit is there, perfect square digits are there. So these are all the related with the getting result. Now one question is also like that, out of 1 to 100 number, how many perfect square number? Perfect square number. So we can say 10. So that is a outcome. So this is called getting result, or we can say random experiment and outcomes. Now we see one example so we can understand. If you try to start scooter, what is the possible outcome? Start or not start. Start or not start. When die is thrown, what are the 6 possible? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 outcomes. When you spin the wheel shown, what are the possible outcomes listed? So here if you will see that spin A, B and C. So outcomes list them. So we can say A, B and C. So here it is a sector. We know that 130 total 360 degrees there. So 360 divided by 20. So 120 degree at here, 120 degree at here and 120 degree at here. Outcomes here means the sector at which the point stops. So A, B or C. If you will rotate it, either it should be stop at A, it should be stop at B or it should be stop at C. These are all called the outcomes. You have a bag with 5 identical balls. If you will see that white, red, blue, green and yellow. You have a bag with 5 identical balls of different colors and you are to pull out a ball without looking at it. List the outcome you would get. So how many outcomes are total? 5 outcomes. Total 5 outcomes. That is red, that is white, red, blue, green and yellow. Now chances and probability, these are all the chance. It is called chance. Here it is called chance. It is also called chance. Here it is also called chance. And here it is also called chance or random outcomes. It is called random outcome. So list the outcomes, you would see there. So here it is 5 outcomes, here it is 3 outcomes, here it is 6 outcomes, here it is 2 outcomes. These are all the outcomes. So it is a textual basic try this that we have now. Outcomes, equally likely outcomes. A coin is tossed several times and the number of times we get head or tail is noted. Let us look at the result sheet which you keep on increasing the toss rate. If one boy toss 50 times, so how many times he toss? 50 times. That is called total outcome. 50 times outcomes. That is total outcomes. Now what happened? 27 times head and 23 times tail. Here telemarks, if you will do at home activity, it's a one type of activity. It is a one type of activity. We can also take trial like that. Is it possible you will get same result or not? It is also we can check. हम लोग घर पे ये एक प्रैक्टिकल है वो कर सकते हैं. इट्स ए प्रोजेक्ट बेस्ड एक्टिविटी और उसके अंदर हम लोग यही जो आंसर है इट शुड बी वेरीड. किसी को 25 आएगा, किसी को 27 आएगा, 20, इट शुड बी वेरी. सो 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 and 5 bunch are there. So 5 plus 2, that is 27. And number of tails, so 1 bunch, 2 bunch, 3 4. So 5 for 20 plus 3 23. Now if we are increasing now 60 times, then here it is also increase from 27 plus 128. Here you will see that 9 is increasing, plus 9 is total number of tail. Number of tail is now increasing and here it is decreasing, so 28. So from 60 now again increasing 70, that is plus 10 we have to add. Now as we have add plus 10, you will see that at here from 28 to 33, so only 5 is at here, add same 5 is at here. So when 70 time toss is there, then total outcome is 30, number of head is 33, here 35. As we increase number of tosses up to 100, you will see that number of head is 48 and here it is 52. So it is called 50-50 chance because 48 and 52. It is also near to 50. Near to 50. It is also near to 50. In such cases, we may say that different outcomes of experimentally are equally likely. If you will see, both are equal. So 50-50% chance is there. So we can say out 48 upon 100 and we can say 52 upon 100. So here chance is 0.48. Here chance is 0.52. Liking chance to probability. Now we go for the probability. Consider the experiment of tossing a coin once. What are the outcomes? We know that there are two outcomes, that is head and tail. Both the outcomes are equally like 50-50%. Either head or tail. Likelihood of getting a head is 1 out of 2 outcomes. So total outcome is 2. And number of trial. So for head it is 1 by 2. In other words, we can say that probability of getting head. So here P, that is probability. Event, that is E. What is the event? That is event is equal to getting head. Getting head. So is equal to 1 by 2. What is the probability of getting tail? Again same we can say 1 by 2. So here it is E1 event. E1 event is for getting head. E2 event. Therefore, getting tail. Therefore, PE2 is equal to again 1 by 2. The outcomes, now we can discuss more something about the dice. Already in last, in I think first or second slide PPT, I am explaining that in dice, it is again I am explained one cube is there, and if you will see the cube, numbering that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6. So total outcomes is 6. If you will throw it once, what are the outcomes? So these are all the outcomes. Either it should be 1. If we roll number 1 should be toss it and he will get 1. So 1 by 6 we can say. That is also event for first number. Now roll number 2. If he throw the dice and he get 2 on the top. So we can say by 2 by, again 1 by 6 because chances is only 1. Either chances is 1 is equal 1 by 6. If chance is 2, again 1 by 6. If chance is 3, again 1 by 6. So for 2, chance 1 by 6. For 3, again chance 1 by 6. Now for 4, again chance is 1 by 6. 4 आने का chances कितना है? 1. That is why if we will get 5, again same. So what is the probability of getting outcome 2? It is 1 by 6. Number of outcome givings 2 is only 1. Same thing if you will write 3, write 4, write 5, write 6, you will get same answer. What is the probability of getting the number 5? Again 1 by 6. What is the probability of getting the number 7? Then 0. It is not possible. What is the probability of getting number 1 through 6? So it is also 1 by 6, but 0 is not possible. So this is not possible because 7 is not in a dice. Now one example is at here, so that we have to see outcomes as a event. Outcome as a event. Each outcome of experiment or collection of outcome is an event. That is why we write P and in bracket we are write E. Probability P and event E. For example, in the experiment of tossing a coin, getting a head is an event and getting a tail is also a event. So for head we can take head, we can take HE, E1 is equal to head event and E2 is equal to tail. Now for PE1, for head purpose, that is again 1 by 2. For tail purpose, again 1 by 2. So in case of throwing die, getting each of the outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 is an event. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is getting an even number. Now we go for, that is for head and tail. This is for head and tail. Now we go for dice. So in dice how many numbers are there? 6. You will see that even number. Now question is even number. So how many even numbers are there? 2, 4 and 6. So I have to write PE1 is equal to even number. Even number. So therefore PE1 is equal to even, how many even numbers are there? 3. So 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. One example is also at here. Example 3. A bag has 4 red balls, 2 yellow balls. A bag has 4 red balls and 2 yellow balls. These balls are identical in all respects other than color. A ball is drawn from the bag without looking into the bag. What is the probability of red ball? So first of total outcomes we have to check. Total outcomes. So total outcomes is what? How many total balls are there? So 4 plus 2. That is 6 balls are there. So what is the total outcome is 6. Now red, how many red are there? 4. So E1, that is called probability of getting red ball. So I have to write E1 is equal to red ball. So PE1 is equal to total 4 is there. So 4 by 6 I have to write. 2 2s are 2 3s are. So probability is 2 by 3. Now it is more or less than getting yellow ball. Now yellow balls, how many yellow balls are there? Only 2. Getting yellow ball, that is 2. 2 by 3, that is 1 by 6. So probability of getting red ball is more than that of the yellow ball. So here it is 1 by 3. Red ball, it is 2 by 3. And yellow ball is 1 by 3. So 2 by 3 is greater than 1 by 3. So getting red is more than getting yellow ball. So I think you have to start now. Last exercise, that is 5.3. That is probability based exercise. You have to do it. And in next lecture we go for the exercise. And afterward we have to start new lesson. So one example still is here. Suppose you spin the wheel. List the number of outcomes of getting green sector and not getting green sector on this wheel. So first of all, if you will say 1, how many times green is there? 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Red, that is red 1, 2 and 3. And green 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So total, if you will see 8 outcomes. Total list, total number of outcomes, or we can say list it. So total 8 outcomes, that is red, green, red, green, green, green. So 5 green is there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And 3 red. 1, 2 and 3 is red. So 3 red and 5 green. Now question is green, getting green. So probability for getting green, that is green, that is 5 by, total is 8. So 5 by 8. Now not green, not green, that is 3. Not green, that is 3 by 8. Find the probability of getting green sector. So I have to write it here. Probability of getting green sector, that is 5 by 8. And probability of not getting green sector, that is 3 by 8. So that way you have to do this probability. It is helpful in further calculation. That is chance in everywhere it is applied. Mostly it is in 9th, 10th, and even though in government exam it is there. So in next lecture we go for exercise, and you have tried to complete yourself first. In next lecture I am also explaining this exercise 5.3.